Tourism is required with what Prasad has said, limitations. And I agree to that. You cannot outright say reject tourists. अरे होम स्टे ह्या ते पळय चलतल्यो आनी इटरी ह्या ते पळय चलतल्यो लोकांची बार रेस्टॉरंट ह्या ते पळय चलतली.
It is even before Diwar being declared as a tourism village, tourists were coming, tourists are still coming, they still continue because there is also a 5-star hotel here. As you said, there are, and I have clearly mentioned, there are some homestays over here. People can come over here, but we should, the moment you declare tourism, because I'll give you one example. थिंगा फडप्यान मानशेर आनी थिंगा टेक केल्ले कितें एज फिशींग स्पॉट. Everybody from the world comes over there fishing. Do we have an infrastructure? थिंगासोर मागीर तोपसोन जाता वाटेर. Why do we give ourselves? आमी कित्याक रे तितून हात घालया आनी सांगया आमचे हात लास्ट म्हणून.
Absolutely.
But the thing is that I have only said don't declare Diwar because there are other villages also tourist comes. Don't declare our village as a tourism village. That's all.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.